a lot of conflicts that take place in the ghetto across the region, it could have been avoided. But no one wants to stand down. You understand? No one wants to be a bigger man and just say, I'm sorry. Words like that.
Lisa Hype was there before. All of these social media I play a major part in a Kartel life. Kartel are there with Lisa Hype from she young.
Oh, a busy a beat on an artist so bad so long. From how much teen years now. Busy still a kill him and a kill them. None of them can chat to Busy. Too Busy, humble and quiet. Una go like you want play the man for a fool.
The boy named SHALAM. Eh? All you figure that Trinidad with popcorn, but you make some bamsel and step out from side of popcorn foot and gone to one double stall and attack about Beanie Man. We got them for blood clot you.
Do what I want to do. It's so nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, baby.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you look amazing in this light.
No, me a blood clot load, because some people don't feel like me a soft spot, me just don't like certain things. Me just don't like certain things. We all come up, cause she do her body now, and she dip on live, and she attack. Stay bad blood clot, Ivan, will stay bad and chronic.
I say you something I get a video too?
Yeah.
Ah, well. Start and roll it slowly.
Back again, viewers and subscribers. Hope all of my subscribers them doing good. Hope all of my subscribers them doing great. So before we get into the vlog, make sure you say stop where you're right now. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell and leave a thought and opinion in the comment section below. So viewers and subscribers who have Vybz Kartel send a positive message to the people them out there in a Guyana, and I make them know say yo them for stay out of trouble and make money and them thing they see it. Very positive message Vybz Kartel send. So wanna have to stay tuned for that. I will also have Renee 630 run up by Ivani and I diss up Ivani because Ivani say Renee 630 do her body and she no look good, so now stay tuned for that. Also I will also have the viral king Foota I run up on Vybz Kartel and I say Basic Signal a beat Vybz Kartel bad, and Basic Signal is the biggest artist in Jamaica right now. So now stay tuned and hear Foota I have to say. I will have a major car accident. Me I tell you say one big car accident going in Jamaica, and I have to stay tuned for that too. Also I will have Vybz Kartel by Matsus a brand new Rolex watch, so now have to stay tuned and see the Rolex watch of Vybz Kartel buy for Matsus. I will also have a brother come out and attack say yo Vybz Kartel should go around Lisa Hype because Lisa Hype stay liar to him when time him day in a prison, and Lisa Hype go look for him in a prison. A bag of things are going on my viewers and subscribers, so we now for us watch the vlog till it ends so you can get the full understanding. So we're gonna dive off in the review right here now.
A lot of conflicts that take place in the ghetto across the region, it could have been avoided. But no one wants to stand down. You understand? No one wants to be a bigger man and just say, I'm sorry. Words like that. I'm sorry. I never knew. So moving forward now, that's the positivity we're pushing to the youths. It's okay to have fun. It's okay to smile. It's okay to walk with your girlfriend. It's, you know what I mean? You don't have to be on the corner smoking a big spliff thinking that is manhood or that is manliness. Because you have to understand, you only have one life and you have to use it wisely, because not many of us get a second chance like Vybz Kartel. A lot of people in prison now will never come out. A lot of people through a lot of gangster violence and things like that, them lose their life. So moving forward now, we are promote positivity, we are promote love, we are promote respect, and we are promote communication. Talk to one another. Everything don't have to end in a fist fight or a gunfight or a knife fight. Talk things over. Believe that you can be a man without having to take up a gun, take up a knife, shoot someone. And in everything, never leave God out of it. Because my journey going through my 13 years in prison, I can tell you this, God, me put my faith in and say, Father God, I'm not the best person, but I'm not the worst person. And if you believe in forgiveness and if you believe that I can change and you see my heart, please, I'm begging you, carry me home. 6 months later, I'm sitting beside the president. So dreams are there to come true, but you have to believe in yourself, you have to trust God, you have to trust not only your judgment, but the judgment of people around you, your mother, your father, a bigger brother. Don't go there, stay here, don't do this, do that. Sometimes it's good to listen. Because in Jamaica we have a saying, who can hear, have a feel. And trust me, get to youth. What I've been through, I don't wish that on anyone else. So I just want the youth, and that's why I come out with this positive mindset. No bitterness, no anger. Just coming out giving and forgiving as I have been forgiven. And trust me, once you have them concept in your head.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, very good word of encouragement from Vybz Kartel. They see it because you don't know, so Vybz Kartel was incarcerated, so he had the right man for tell the youths them say, yo, stay out of trouble and stay far from certain things. Some viewers and subscribers, more if you know what you think about Vybz Kartel message, let me know in the comment section what you think where I get into the rest of the review.
Me tell them all the while, say talk is cheap. Big up Busy Signal, anyway Busy Signal there in our world. Years now Busy a beat them bad and people are going like them no want give the youth him glory. Same thing me I say long time, me I say it now. Busy been killing every one of them new artists. Out of the new school, Busy a kill all of them. Them cannot chat to Busy Signal. Some people are going to talk about, what is Brooklyn Nets? Since Brooklyn Nets are not, how who not do it? How Foota artists not do it? How they not send call Foota artists? Since Foota artists is so big and Foota artists is so much of the international giant, how Busy a beat on the artist so bad so long? From how much teen years now? Busy still a kill him and a kill them. None of them can chat too Busy. Too Busy, humble and quiet. Una go like una want play the man for a fool. Since NBA game halftime show and nothing, how not do it? How the favorite artist not do it? Make a the favorite artist do it now. And see if una jump up and rail up and go on with a bag of things. But when Busy do it, Foota no fi talk. Foota no fi hype up him friend. And so the youth are doing it on a major platform. Right now if you check TikTok, a Busy Signal featuring Sean Paul have the biggest song on TikTok. We have a big white and Indian and Arab people a dance to it. Uno go on like uno want people to come here to come tell line of blood clot music. Me and one of them people. Me no yes man. Me no kiss ass. Me a bad people and me a star. Uno for face reality. Uno for face reality. Some of the artists is not as big as our now project them to be. Cause them don't have the evidence for sure. A big thing that Busy Signal do one night. Big blood clot thing. Look how much artists in the Caribbean. Look how much artists in the Caribbean. So why a Busy Signal them send for think about that? Make that soak in a little bit in our brain. Make that soak in our brain little bit. How much artists in the Caribbean? Why a Busy Signal them send for? 1, Busy not cheap. 2, Busy not frightened. Them man then nah, you can't just call them and try NBA run go. Them man no work so. All some man attack, you know. Them not have a song big like watch out for this all now. In them whole entire catalog. Them don't have a song big like watch out for this all now. Birthday song right now as we speak are the biggest international song right now. And the man have a song we don't do whole of TikTok on it. But me can't even sing it. With him and Sean Paul. Ono give to Caesar with due to Caesar. Give to Caesar with due to Caesar. Stop underplay Busy greatness. To the youth then a mix up and him now sing about suck this and suck that and a bag of dirty song. Una go like uno want give the youth him glory. Him and bigger on the friend them. By far too. And some of them go like una underplay popcorn greatness too. Me see some man a fly and a JetBlue them a fly in a regular small squint job seat. A private jet me see Bumbuckler, Popcorn and SHALAM and Samatero them in a private jet. Only not talk about that. Only not talk about that. Not even me not fly in a JetBlue squint job seat. A Spirit big front seat or exit row. Only not talk about that. Pussy wall, you know. We not just talk, we have evidence to prove. A JetBlue, me see someone a fly. Regular seat. We're regular patron, you know. I'm a rich son. I'm here the hottest thing and the biggest thing. You must be mad. No pussy could fly me in a JetBlue. No little screen job seat. I see Popcorn them in a private jet with SHALAM. Come down now. SHALAM. Come down. Me think about that now. Sometimes I truly don't want to beat on the killing them and just not talk about something, you know. All I can size up. Spirit, big front seat, better than all the JetBlue seat them. What you talk about? Spirit, big front seat, bigger than the rest of first class seat them. Me fly American last week. American first class seat. Not big like Spirit, big front seat. What you tell me say? Before me fly JetBlue with them because screen job seat, them me fly Spirit, big front seat. What you tell me say? What you tell me say? What you tell me say? Spirit, big front seat. Better than American airline first class seat. Bigger, more fluffy and more comfortable. What you talk about? What you talk about? I see Popcorn from private jet. I go away, I go in my shop. Come on. I don't say everything. JetBlue now. Come on. Come on. Me could I rich and I travel with my first lady going to her first country in a JetBlue seat? You must be mad. Come on. Come on.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, that is Foota Hype, the viral king, and the man I make you know say Busy Signal a beat Vybz Kartel, but a Busy Signal a lead, and Busy Signal is the #1 artist. Some of viewers and subscribers more often know want to think you think your Busy Signal bigger than Vybz Kartel, or you think the Vybz Kartel bigger than Busy Signal. More often know want to think my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, where I get further in the review.
Me a man. Say it, me a man. And if me have a woman, I come a prison come look for me. Saying, before me even meet my fiance, before me even know my fiance. Saying, when Siden broke up on the scene, when Vybz Kartel fiance broke on the scene, you remember? You remember? When Anthony Miller and them people start interview her and go her yard and she have security and she left from England come to Jamaica. Kartel put her up in her house and all them thing there. And you remember when them said they meet and how they meet? And IG. Lisa Hype was dead before fucking IG. Lisa Hype was dead before all of these social media. I play a major part in a Kartel life. Kartel are there with Lisa Hype from she young. Saying? From she young. Imagine you are a man there with your family in your teens, and all of the beating them and lick them and what you get and something, you feel like it now gonna be traumatized? Eh? You feel like she now got traumatized for all of the pain and the suffering them what she got through, and she knows say yo, what she forget, she now get. Put your bumbuckle self in the female shoes now, people. When we talk to some of the female we have love for Vybz Kartel and just love Vybz Kartel for who he is because he's an artist and everybody has a Vybz Kartel. Because someone who like Vybz Kartel and love Vybz Kartel. True, the fans and everybody has a Vybz Kartel who not follow back up. See, what if you did actually go through what Lisa I go through with Vybz Kartel? And a man he do not stand out in words and help the female and give the female where she deserve. Cause I see some of them Sheba and the whole of them, you see all of who them where you say a turn against Lisa. Them pussy they know to you. How much of them go to prison go look for Kartel? But we know Lisa hype go. Cause we see him post blood clot picture with Lisa hype. We see him post no picture with no other one of them come to prison come look for him. We look into it now, man. We look into it now, man. Eh? When Kartel is spending time in a prison, who you see him post picture with when he in a prison? Who go to prison go look for him? Who not bumbuckler talk? Who in a social media every day and say this and say that, but who not see the right thing? Who not see the right thing? Who not see the right thing? She was there from day one. See? Me not see no Gaza slave, no Hindu, no Sheba, and them they on prison picture. No, Lisa I they on prison picture with him in a prison. See? You no see that? This girl I show you how far when him come from. See? She did it, she hold out. All when nobody on the Gaza. Kartel no deal with the Javin to the popcorn. All of who we no deal with, she still remain. She was still there. I first in her life this me ever see female against a female for go through what she got through. I'm gonna soon have her back and a protect her and a big her up and say, yo, things are got better on in the girl comment section and put her down. A big bother disgrace her. See? Me no care what nobody wants to say, you know, brother. I remember, you know, me no hate Vybz Kartel, you know. It's what this girl I got through and we are take it for granted. And we not see it and we not highlight it the way we supposed to highlight it. We are come out and we are say this, oh, she a lose it, she a mad, she a this and that. The other day, she said something about, she said she been allegedly by Beanie Man. That she said.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers. So this brother here say Lisa Hype and Vybz Kartel did there when time them did the young and Lisa Hype get better treatment because she did go in a prison go look for Vybz Kartel when time him incarcerated and them look a thing there. So my viewers and subscribers want to know what you think about him argument and I want to know if one think say Lisa Hype get better treatment from Vybz Kartel. Let me know in the comment section below.
That which part I go in a one strange country and I try bring down the doctor. Leave that alone. Hey boy, book back your next flight. Hey boy, you have to go book all your ticket. Listen. Them a type of sitting here bigger than you. Them a type of something here before you even dream for coming like this. Leave that alone with the two big man them. Them are two legend. They say what them a say, do what them a do, they now fight. The boy named SHALAM. Eh? All you figure that Trinidad with popcorn, but you make some bamsel and step off from side of popcorn foot and gone to one double stall and a talk about Beanie Man. Because them fi blood clot you. Them fi pack you then dirty boy you with locks for head and talk about them a rasta in yam. Listen to me out. You see me, and that's why I understand, say, me is a loner, you know. Me is a scorpion, you know. It best of me I hold me there by myself, you know. No boy, you know, and if you come around me, you can't. And listen, no boy can this acting around me. None. For me, acting business is only musical. Yes, me and him used to par, and me make some bamsum, and and that good. But listen to me boss and me millions off of my own. I never have to work a day in my last life again. Me just sit down in my studio and do what I want to do. You understand? You cannot try bring me down for certain things. Listen to me. Me have all man said me have some voice note where I some artists I talk to his wife, I set up all his wife against him. And me just mute that. Because guess what? That means I tear you want me tear him down when people start to look upon him different. This not all to do with music. Link me upon things, we have things to do with music. You wife shouldn't get so close to him. That's him can come and tell your wife these type of deep things. Me say him sound like him a wife. That a plane that me say to him boy. Us, we love tear them one another too much better. Keep the thing musical and no way me could have got Trinidad. And no man at Trinidad come and set me up about doubles. Me no want no doubles all when me hit it and I hit I carry me go to heaven. Me rather go over Cayman go and dark and go to hell. Because listen to me. You feel like say brother. You ever see Trinidad people I come together and say, yo, I could tear down Trinidad for Jamaica, it don't go like that. And that's what our African man say, the ungratefulest thing is the Jamaicans then. And Jamaica the only place, you see, Jamaicans come together and show somebody give them one lie and then turn against everybody in Jamaica for that person there. You feel Nicki Minaj like no now? Listen. Nicki Minaj like no. She just a use because she sees her disloyal. She knows see as soon as if Beyonce link up any one of them girl right now, then done with Nicki. She know she's not loyal. There is no way you can make one outsider's youth who no fight in your house, fight in your yard. But outsiders keep. Don't even comment. You hear? No comment. Eh? You check say me can go a Trinidad. When name Trinidad. And then come and say, Khago, what you think about doubles? Leave the doubles thing. You drink your red stripe. Sell me some coke. Sell me some sir. Me never drink and me no smoke, but I rather burn my spliff because no get me for this bunty bean in our cartel. Me do it when me go back to Jamaica for my own, for the musical vibes. You okay? Listen to me, then start look for you. Listen, all 10 boy don't lie.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, that is dancehall artist Khago and the man at this up SHALAM because SHALAM this Beanie Man over there in a Trinidad and Tobago because the man go buy some doubles and a this Beanie Man and I say if it don't taste good and this and that. So everybody knows say Beanie Man did this up doubles the other day when time him did go over Trinidad and now we have SHALAM clap back at him and now Khago at this SHALAM. Yo, a bit things are going so I don't want to think about Khago argument where I get further in the review.
No, they come in this big bright light for no left where I shoot movie.
Because I needed a video, I needed a picture.
You're a boss, I do what I want to do.
It's so nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, baby.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you look amazing in this light.
I'm from Toronto. I've
from
been listening
Toronto?
to you from early 2000s.
Yes.
So it's just a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you as well. Big up yourself, baby. I live in the world, Canada.
Thank you.
Change your life.
Blood. Chef? Yes. I mean, chef.
Well, listen, we got a little problem here. We going and cook, you know what?
Yes. Chicken curry.
Let me hear you.
Chicken curry.
Alright.
No, Jamaica style.
Chicken curry.
In Guyana, it's chicken curry. Come on, let's hurry.
Yes, go close. I'll take authority, right?
You're good. Yeah, thanks. Smell good?
Top chef, you know. He'll put a lot of red pepper.
Oh, yeah.
You see? Very good. It's Vybz cook class.
Yeah, man, the plate too.
Bring
Chef, look at the plate.
How cook this?
You know me?
Okay. So I'm going to say. First time I see you cooking for him.
Yeah. Not bad.
I President cook. President pepper. President pepper. You tell say pepper kick.
Tastes good.
Pepper kick. Pepper kick. How the flavor? Different from curry chicken.
More spicy.
More spicy. Flavorful. What you call it? chicken.
Chicken curry then inside.
Oh shit. Thank you. So all video. Yeah, man, I used the video for you. I say it go? Something I get a video too?
Yeah.
Ah, 12. Start well, roll it slowly. Boy, Gaza nation, they don't do mad enough.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so Vybz Kartel buy Madsus a new Rolex watch. Some more of you know wanna think about that. Vybz Kartel really a gift the whole I'm friend them and I buy them Benz and I buy them Rolex and all these things. Some more of you know wanna think about that. We get further in the rest of the review.
I'm a fierce girl. Love me a blood clot load. I'm gonna show people. Don't feel like me a soft spot. I just don't like certain things. I just don't like certain things. We always come up, cause she do her body now, and she dip on live, and she talk. Stay bad blood clot, Ivan, and stay bad and cranny. I don't even know man her. I don't even know how man her. I'm by blood clot from you. I know some people father regret the day me ever touch you, cause you're the most crassiest person in the world. You just torment people and come round and do the most. I don't know why when the people them say them do one of these things, I never make them blood clot. Who the man you walk out in our I know I've had it for a long time. I don't want her to come over here, so don't tell me to waste my energy. I don't want her to, don't tell her to leave me alone. Stop calling my name, girl. Stop calling my name. That's all I avoid you. I don't want nobody tell me nothing. I don't want nobody tell me nothing. Because nobody can't do me nothing. Like years ago that when people want to do our things, I say leave her alone. I say leave her alone. I say me nah give nobody, me nah make nobody do nobody over a page. Me tell you this. Me build my page from ground come up from 2013. Instagram come up from about 2012. Also, me build my page, me dance, me roll from ground, me put in all of my hard work on my page, part of my career, my page and my career part each other. The girl take my page, you know. I say came up at my page. You slow down money for me. Nothing me start now make no money because I'm a page me use make money. If people want to pay me for post nothing, if people want to book me, I'm a page me use, girl. You take my page and I say, you know me I hold it like a G. You know when I feel emotional, when I say them time when she take my page, I just start the music, you know. I just start the music, you know. I just start the music, you know. I just start the music. Right? And me I get my little bookings and people are pre up my thing and me I say, alright, don't blow eggs. Till about 10 years ago. Why you still talk about this about 10 years ago? The world go see. Cause me like no the party app. Me no, me never soon yet in my life. So leave me alone and don't come. If you want to talk for sure, you're a follower, come up on page. Don't tell me about 10 years ago. Why is it that 10 years ago and she still talk about it? Why she still talk about it? Why she still every time she go like, no, you do your body, you bring me up every minute. You bring me up every minute. You bring me up every minute. Don't tell me what she never said. When you come up from my life, you're before my black on. When you come up from my life for my black on and come lick. Oh, you see me not take certain things. And you know what? I say, I hold it like a G. I hold it like a G. I'm say, alright, I'll build a new page.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, that is Renee 630 run out for Ivani because Ivani I diss her up and say her body don't look good because they don't know so the two of them do them body and Ufa body look good from Ufa body not look good. You see it a be an argument a go on. Some more of you want to think about that, let me know where you pre in the comment section below where I get further in the review. viewers and subscribers, thanks for watching the video till it end. You see what time o'clock, you see what time and half we are hurry up and get out of here right now. So thanks for the support, thanks for the love, thanks for liking the video. If you don't click the like button, I said make sure you click the like button right now, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below, share the video, put it on your WhatsApp, put it on your TikTok, put it on your Facebook, viewers and subscribers. Much love and respect to all. I'm out.